Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing two cookie recipes with you which are keto. So in one of them I'm going to use gelatin and make it kind of chewy, and the other one is a little more crisp. So I'm also going to share my opinion about it with you, which one I like better and what are the differences between the two. If you like my video, please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell right next to it with all notifications selected. If you like the recipe, please share it with your friends and family. That helps me a lot. So let's go ahead and watch the recipes. We are going to soak our gelatin. So I've taken 1 teaspoon of gelatin and I'm putting 1 tablespoon of water in it, and we're going to let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and it will bloom. Depending on the quality of the gelatin, it'll take longer or less time. And in the meanwhile, we are taking 2 tablespoons of butter in another bowl, and this is softened butter, to which I've added 1 cup of almond flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And this is eclair essence that I found and I'm absolutely in love with it, so I'm adding half a teaspoon of that too, and 1/4 cup of Swerve. You can use any sweetener of your choice. My favorite is a mix of erythritol and stevia, which is what Swerve is. And to this we are adding 1 egg, and I'm blending all of this using an electric beater. And this is a point where I'm going to give it a taste and then add about 7 to 10 drops of stevia, so which is what you want to do. I always say that depending on your liking and to your taste, you should sweeten it. And I forgot to add the bloomed gelatin, so which is what I've done here, and I'm mixing it thoroughly, and our batter is ready now. So we're going to scoop it on a cookie sheet. So I have some pecans here, so this is 1/4 of a cup, and you can use any nuts of your choice or even dry fruits. If you have dried strawberries, you can use that. I have chopped them and mixed them in the batter. So I'm scooping the dough on this cookie sheet. I have a silpat sheet or a silicone mat. You can use a parchment paper if you don't have a silicone mat. And we're going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And after 10 minutes, I have got it out. I'm putting 1 whole pecan on top of it. So you're just going to press it down a little bit because it is soft at this point, and we will be putting it back for 5 more minutes. And there it is, it's ready, and look at it, how beautiful it looks. A couple of different ways for presentation and taking pictures, but you won't be wasting your time doing all of this. You will probably be taking a bite immediately, although you want to cool it down completely before you eat it. And I'm going to show you the result in the end. Right now I'm just opening it up for you. So let's make the cookie without the gelatin. So here I have 3 tablespoons of butter and 1/3 cup of Swerve. So I've added a little more than last time, and this time I'm not going to need any stevia, I think, to which I've added half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 egg, and mixed that. Half a cup of almond flour, 3 tablespoons of coconut flour, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. And now we've thoroughly mixed it. I'm putting my pecans in. I'm just breaking them a little bit with my hand, and I have mixed all of that together. I also have shared a coconut flour cookie. I'm going to share the link with you on the screen as well as in the description, so check that out. And then I'm scooping it on the cookie sheet with a silicone mat at the bottom. I'm flattening the cookies a little bit, and I've put it in the oven at the same temperature, 180 degrees centigrade to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Like I said, you could use a parchment paper if you don't have this, but this is a reusable mat. I've gotten it out after 10 minutes, and I'm flattening it and shaping it a little bit, and we're going to bake it further for 5 more minutes. And these are ready too. We're going to let this cool down a bit. At this point, I'm doing one of the most difficult things to do, is walking away. You can see me and my dog just walking away. Yeah, that's what you need to do. And then you come back after an hour or so and it's cooled down, and when you take a bite of it, you see that the one without the gelatin is more crisp. It's not crisp like a wheat flour biscuit, but it is comparatively a little crisp, and the one with the gelatin is more chewy. A nice chocolate chip cookie would taste really good with gelatin. A vanilla cookie that I would make without. So if you try these recipes out, let me know in the comments. I hope you like them, and thanks for watching. Bye.